Welcome to my channel, kids. Let's learn am words with wishin'. Let's practice reading master the sight words I and am. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I am crying. I am crying. I am angry. I am angry. I am frustrated. I am frustrated. I am confused. I am confused. I am worried. I am worried. I am surprised. I am surprised. I am afraid. I am afraid. I am jealous. I am jealous. I am calm. I am calm. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am shy. I am shy. I am watching. I am watching. I am searching. I am searching. I am curious. I am curious. I am clown. I am clown. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am silly. I am silly. I am sick. I am sick. I am disgusted. I am disgusted. I am excited. I am proud. I am tired. I am reading. I am writing. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.